If you want to turn off Gemini Live feature in Google Chrome, follow these simple steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section called AI Innovations, under Preferences. Click on it to open the Gemini settings. Now you will see an option called Gemini in Chrome. Click on it. Inside this menu, scroll until you find the setting named Closed Captioning. You will see an option that says, Show closed captions when using Gemini Live. To disable it, simply toggle this option off. Once you do that, closed captions will no longer appear during Gemini Live sessions. That's it. You have successfully turned off this feature in Chrome. If you liked the video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.